Tired of expensive gaming headsets that only work on one console? Get ready to revolutionize your setup without breaking the bank. This Wolfloss wireless gaming headset is a true multi-platform marvel, now at an incredible price. Connect wirelessly to your PS5, PC, or PS4 via 2.4G for light-free audio. Need Bluetooth for your Nintendo Switch, Mac, or mobile? It's got you covered. Plus, a 3.5mm wired mode ensures compatibility with Xbox and even retro consoles like GameCube. Experience every detail with powerful 50mm drivers and immersive 3D surround sound. Pinpoint enemy footsteps and get the competitive edge. The noise-canceling microphone ensures your teammates hear you loud and clear, free from background distractions. Game for hours in comfort thanks to the ergonomic design, soft protein ear pads, and adjustable headband. The 90 degrees rotating ear cups offer flexibility and convenience. With an epic 48-hour battery life and ultra-low latency, your sessions will never be cut short. Rated 4.4 stars by hundreds of gamers, this headset delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Originally $49, grab it now for just $25.49. It's carbon-free certified too, making it a smart, sustainable choice. Don't miss out on this insane deal. Click the link in our bio or description to visit the product page on Amazon and snag your Wolfloss wireless gaming headset today. Upgrade your audio, dominate your games, and save big.